Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to get started with Mentafy. First, you can quickly start a project or create one from scratch. Choose to start with an empty document or upload your own. You can set a project deadline now or decide to set it later. There are also advanced options available, such as automatically turning on session recording and choosing how to open your Microsoft Word files. Once you've created your project, you'll land on the project overview page. Here you can quickly view your project calendar, add your own tasks, and check your project status. This section gives you detailed information about your project, including the number of notes and files uploaded, and much more. Now, let's start a session and begin our writing. In the My Work section, you can add notes, files, and URLs related to your project. All of this will be recorded in the activity stream, which tracks all activities related to your project. You can choose to open your Microsoft Word file on the web, desktop, or directly from your OneDrive. Let's open our file on the web and start working. Here you can write as usual. After you're done writing, return to Mentafy, close your session, and check your activity summary for the day. From the project status, you can also generate an interim report for your project. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please write us at info@mentafy.com.